Hey everybody, today I am going to be showing you how to make a garage door. This is what it will look like in the end. Opened and closed. Let's get started. No mods needed, I am in the mod. Okay, let's start. First, get any block or two. For me, I got andesite and quartz bricks. Now get all the redstone components you need. You need 5 sticky pistons. You need 15 iron trapdoors. You need 5 redstone torches. You need 1 lever, and you need 15 redstone dust to make this build. Wait, actually not 15. 19 redstone dust. Let's get started. So first, dig out the floor like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do a 3 by 5. Now dig out the middle lane one bit deeper, and then put all your redstone torches down there. P.S. I am in creative mode. Okay, now cover that up with your second block, your second thing. You'll need 15 of the second block, and grab a stack of the first block to be safe. Okay, now build up like this in a 3 by 3 wall on both sides, and then connect those with a roof. Like that. Now dig those middle ones. Wait, why is this 4? Hold on. It has to be 5. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now go down and put 5 sticky pistons facing the bottom. Like this. Now put iron trap doors along like this. Again, like this. And put it all the way up here. Like 2. Like don't do this side with iron trapdoors just yet, just 2, see? So pistons facing this way, and then here. And then go to the other side and do this, the last one on the edge. Make sure you do them correctly. Okay, now it looks like this. Now go to the roof and cover the piston area with redstone, like this. And then cover that with quartz with your first block. There. Okay. Now just go to the both ends, dig a hole of 2 on the side. Like that. So then it's going down. Now put another quartz bricks down there, like that. And then put your first item like this. Put a lever there, and then just go with the flow. But first test out it. Flip the lever, and then if you flip the lever and it looks like this, move the lever to the other side. Cool, huh? Now cover this up. Actually, when I meant both ends, you can pick one end and put the lever on that end. Here we go. There. Okay. Now cover the redstone up. Like that. We're all done with the build. Subscribe, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.